5 resources that the 1% use to control the 99%. That's water, food, education, shelter, and medicine.
Now he's speaking facts. Now y'all, we ain't doing just retreats out here. We have all 5 of those resources. Let me show you. We got the water flowing in abundance. We got the shelters here. We got the kitchen. And then we also got a whole bunch of farmland. Let me go over there and show y'all. Now here's one of the gardens. We got a whole bunch of greens here. We got some root vegetables. We got papaya, a whole bunch of fruit trees, cacao. We got breadfruit. That's food in abundance. And we have an abundance of medicine. This right here is cassia latta, one of the most potent liver cleansers on the planet. We got soursop here. We got a wild patchouli tree. Food is our medicine. Now, when we talk about education, up there is a little classroom. We got another classroom upstairs. And this right here is a classroom because they don't really teach us in school what we need to know. They don't teach us how to farm. They don't teach us how